Hey, welcome back to a big video. We have a couple stuff that we going over. Marginal risk for some isolated winds and stuff like that. Next week we could see the first thunderstorms of the year for TDGHQ. Potentially anyways. Right now it is I'd say just thunder right now. Maybe marginal risk, but that's a huge stretch. And you can definitely see right now, nothing to look at really. Kind of not very much to look at. I don't understand really the 100% point, but you can just see quiet it is. I made this segment around a minute long because I thought it was something. Maybe some scattered winter alerts, pretty normal for this time of year. And yeah, it's not very much at all. Boring. So hey, okay. So we're going to marginal risk again for Kansas, small area of Texas, and then also Oklahoma for 5% wind and 5% hail. Also, I believe it's an interesting experience. So yeah, it's quite interesting, to say the least, and it's be quite interesting to see what happens. So yeah. Yeah, maybe expect to be kind of quiet for the next while. So yeah. Apart from that, really that. Hope you did enjoy this video. Have you got the end screen yet? Okay, there we go. That's the end of today's video. Hope you did enjoy. If you 2020 radar archive is gonna be coming out tomorrow. Many stuff. We have Waterloo, Iowa, weekly weather forecast coming out very soon, and it's gonna be quite an update that anyone would probably want. So apart from that, it's really it. Hope you enjoy, and goodbye. Also, there's gonna be some upgrades to TGHQ.